Those who work in hazardous environments know how important it is to rely on safe systems. The future of innovation and safety relies on reliable explosion-proof solutions for the most complex industrial environments. Cortem Elfit Southeast Asia is the group's reference hub for the region. The site brings together offices, a warehouse, and a production facility where mechanical and electrical operations are carried out to support regional markets. Here, design, engineering, manufacturing, and after-sales services are fully managed in-house, ensuring close coordination, efficiency, and fast response times across projects. From the development of standard and customized explosion-proof solutions to certified assembly, commissioning, post-sales support, and specialized technical training, Cortem Elfit Southeast Asia delivers comprehensive, reliable, and long-term support to customers throughout the region in full compliance with international standards and certifications. Cortem Group, uncompromising safety from design to installation.